Up until the previous video, we explored tool binding, where the AI could suggest using a tool, but it didn't actually execute it. That's a big step towards agentic behavior, but it still required a human or programmatic step to run the tool. In this video, we're taking it one step further. We're going to enforce the model to actually perform the tool operation as part of the workflow. This means the AI isn't just suggesting, it can now actively interact with tools, gather results, and continue reasoning based on those results. The process works like a conversation flow. First, the user provides a query. The model, aware of the tools, chooses which tool to call and then prepares the arguments. Next, we execute the suggested tool call programmatically, and finally, the model gets the tool's output and integrates it into its response, allowing it to continue the dialogue seamlessly with real results. This approach is critical for building truly intelligent agents, one that just doesn't answer questions but can perform tasks or compute results or fetch data dynamically. So in this video, our focus will be on implementing this enforced tool execution workflow. The model identifies the tool, we run it, and then the AI incorporates the output back into the conversation, making the interaction fully functional and autonomous. So let's dive into the code. So here I'm going to create a new file again, call it final tool calling.py. Let me import few libraries here. So from LangChain core dot tools, I'll import tool. Then from LangChain core dot messages, I'll import human message. Then I'll import my model. And after that, I will import .env. Okay, now I'll import the credential, then I'll define my model. Chat Google generative AI. So the model name is Gemini 2.5 Flash. And then I'm going to create a tool for basically addition like we did in the earlier video. So def add, A is going to be an integer, B is also going to be an integer. And I will return the result as integer. I'll add a docstring, add to numbers. And then based on this, I'm going to return A plus B. Now I'll bind this tool. So LLM with tools equals to LLM dot bind tools, and I'm going to bind my add function tool here. My user query is going to be can you add 10 and 9. Okay, and then I'm going to convert this into human message. So my query is a human message. So we'll append this in our message list, our query now, and then we'll print our result. Basically call the LLM using our messages and then print out the result. We'll see the result, what happens here. Okay, so if you run this, you'll see that it does suggest a function call here for add to basically solve my query. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to append this same to my messages. So messages dot append, it will go inside here. Also, I want to print something here. So let me print out result dot tool underscore calls. I think we have tool calls here. Yeah, we have tool calls here. So tool call, and then we'll invoke our first tool call and see what it gives me. So let me run this again. So if we print tool call, then we can see that this particular tool is a reference, or the add tool is a reference. My values are correctly gone to A and B. So now what I'm going to do is I'm again going to remove this, and then I'm going to invoke the tool, add.invoke result dot tool underscore calls 0. Then after this, I'm going to append the tool result also inside my messages, and then the final result will be the LLM call again dot invoke, and then I'll print my final result here. So print final underscore result. So let me clear this and then run this again and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, the sum of 10 and 9 is 19. The content is generated. If you only want to see the content, then you can see that the content is shown. Okay, so what we did here is we did in fact invoke the tool, but we did it by ourselves. So basically we took the model suggestion of invoking the add tool, we invoked the add tool, and then basically regenerated our response based on our query here. That's not actually what we want, but I actually wanted to show you how to call the tool here. In the upcoming video, we will fix this, and then we will let the model suggest the tool as well as call the tool automatically here. So I think you understood the concept. This is all for this video. If you have any problem, do comment down below and I'll try to help you out. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.